Hello everybody, Gary here from Factory Outlet Trailers in beautiful southern Alberta. Going to go over this Canada Trailers CE720 16K trailer for you. This particular trailer actually is a little bit heavier, has a little bit heavier axles. It's got 8K axles and a double frame tongue, as you can see. It's a heavy equipment trailer. All the forward-facing Canada trailers have a rock guard spray on them, including the fenders. Okay, that just gives you a little more longevity, a little less rust factor going forward on the trailer. A 12,000 pound front jack. One of the things I like about Canada trailers, they do differently than everybody else. Just the little things. You know, this little plug holder here, just to keep your plug out of the elements when it's not being used. It's a nice little feature. You can get it with a pintle ring like this, or a standard 2 5/16 ball hitch. It's powder coated trailer, comes with a treated wood deck, all LED lights. The rear here has what they call the 3-foot mega ramps. Okay, so you've got a 20-foot deck, including your mega ramps, and then your ramps flip over to give you a nice angle of entry on your beaver tail. The spring assisted ramps are easy to handle, as you can see. If I can do it, trust me, you can do it. Other than that, that's about all I got for you today. Thanks for your time, and come on down to Factory Outlet Trailers if you need a trailer.